I'm meteorologist Rich Murray in the King 5 Weather Center around 11 o'clock on Monday. And after a round of steady and occasionally heavy rain this morning, we're into off and on showers right now. You can see, checking out the shot from our Seattle Tower cam, looking a little gray out there, but a hint of a few breaks in there. And we're pretty much into off and on showers around most of the area. If we take a look at our Doppler radar, you can see showers moving through, but definitely breaks between those showers, and quite a few still off the coast. We'll see those starting to pick back up again with another round of heavy rain headed our way as we head towards later on tonight and on through most of Tuesday. Checking our satellite image, you can see we do have a series of lows lined up out there in the Pacific, and those are going to be marching through here, it looks like, all the way through the first part of next week. Our Futurecast forecast for radar and cloud cover, you can see this starting at 5 a.m. this morning. That front just moved right through here. A little bit of a break during the day, but by 5 p.m. already starting to see some rain from that approaching front spread over the area. That settles in over us and keeps us wet pretty much, you can see, from 5 a.m. on Tuesday all the way into Wednesday. It stalls out over us, continuing to drop rain over most of western Washington with rising snow levels. And because of that, we do have some concerns about flooding over parts of the South and West Olympics, also over parts of the Cascades. Take a look at what we're expecting wind-wise. The wind's kind of still a little breezy today, but they'll be picking back up again. You can see by 5 a.m. this morning they had started to let up a little bit. Not much during the afternoon at 5 p.m., but as we head towards this evening, especially late this evening and early tomorrow morning by about 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, you can see some steady winds. Some of those steady winds actually all the way up into the plus 45 mile per hour, 46 mile per hour range up towards the San Juans and towards parts of Whidbey Island. These again are sustained winds at the 30 to 40 mile per hour range from about area north of Everett all the way up the Canadian border, especially near the water. We could see wind gusts in the 45 to 60 mile per hour range, and then south of Everett look for wind gusts in the 30 to maybe 45 mile per hour range, though near the water you could see some up to about 50 miles per hour, and they should peak around 1 o'clock in the morning, it looks like, from our Futurecast models. Take a look at what we're expecting in terms of rainfall. A lot of rain headed our way, as a matter of fact, over the next couple of days. Over the Olympics, in fact, between now and early on Wednesday morning, as much as 6 to 8 inches of rain could fall there. You can see pretty wet over parts of southwestern Washington with up to 5 to 6 inches showing up there. And even over Puget Sound, looking for anywhere from about 2.5 to 3 to 5 inches over some of the areas around central Puget Sound. So a very wet weather system headed our way. Checking the forecast then for today, showers and a little breezy this afternoon. Again, those winds pick up overnight tonight. Rainy, windy tomorrow morning. Temperatures warming tomorrow, upper 40s and low 50s. Rain turns to off and on showers and cooler Wednesday back into the mid 40s. Thanksgiving Day, look for a few showers in the morning, but turning pretty wet in the afternoon and turning breezy later in the day, mid 40s for the highs. Showers Friday and then wet off and on over the weekend and occasionally blustery. Highs staying mostly in the mid to upper 40s all the way through. Be sure to watch King 5 News at noon, 5 and 6:30 for the latest weather forecast.